Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Georgetown 36K7. This is an awesome bunk bed, 2 full bathroom motorhome. This is the Georgetown GT7, which is a top-of-the-line Class A gas motorhome. Bunk beds and 2 full bathrooms. This comes in at 40 feet 1 inch. This motorhome is absolutely amazing. We got nice headlight design, big front windshield, full body paint comes standard on this motorhome. This does have a 7.3 liter V8. It is a Godzilla engine. That's 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Big 26,000 pound chassis with the nice big 22.5 inch tires. This motorhome is absolutely beautiful. You got a nice awning, frameless windows, TV on the outside, and then here throughout the whole motorhome, aluminum slam latch doors. As you enter the motorhome, do a quick 360 to the left, and then we'll get started in the cockpit area. Walking in, you can see that this is a beautiful motorhome. And right off the bat, there is no way that you can tell that this has bunk beds and 2 full baths. Right up here's the cockpit area. Plenty of space, you got a little workstation there. Down there, that's a little doggy window for your dog to sit at your feet. Bunk over the cab right here, very nice. And then right over here is a dinette. What's real nice about this dinette is that it does drop down to make a bed. Skinny table, so fat people like me have plenty of gut space right here. And it does also drop down to make a bed. A lot of times these tables are real tight and I have to eat my food like this. Very comfortable dinette. Over here we do have a very nice kitchen. Nice countertop, nice backsplash and everything. Really nice looking residential style refrigerator right here as well. Over here's the theater seats. We got the Thomas Paine collection, which is directly across from the TV and entertainment center. And then check this out. Here's where the bunk beds are. Okay, really good space. And then this top bunk actually flips up if you want to use this for wardrobe space. And check out this full bathroom. Huge shower right there, nice toilet and everything, and nice sink. And then over here, we do got a king size bed that tilts up. Tons of storage over here in the master bedroom, and gas motorhome that does come with a stackable washer and dryer. To wrap it all up, if you go on inside, you can see that you have your sink area right over there. Yes, thank you, ma'am. A toilet and an awesome shower. Great, so that was a quick little tour of the Georgetown GT7. If you guys are interested in seeing more, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews. We do a full in-depth review where we go over everything about the motorhome. Or, if you know that this is the motorhome that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you, and they will get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.